Alright, now this project is called the 3x3 System of Equations project. And what I want you to do first is when on the file that I sent, you can just click on the name, right? And I want you to, where it says name, I want you to put your name. So I'm going to put I'm going to click on it and I'm going to change this to Mr. Alright, and I'm going to save it that. Now once I do that, then basically what I want you to do is just fill in the information here. We're going to design a real world problem that can, sorry that's supposed to be can, be solved graphically with a system of 3 linear equations and 3 variables. So think of a problem, we're going to make it up. Let's say we had, I don't know, let's say we had 6 quarters. Let's say we had, I don't know, give me a number. Let's say we had 9 dimes. And let's say we had 14 nickels. Okay, I just made up something, okay? All right, so let's create the problem by filling in the blanks. I'm going to say Joe has, and I'm just going to erase these blanks and just put the name in. Like Joe has, now I got to figure out how much this is. So this is where I probably want to get, I'm going to go to my calculator down here. I can do this right in Desmos. I'm just going to go down here and figure out how much is 6 quarters, 9 dimes, and 14 nickels. So I need 6 times, I'll do this down here, 6 times 25.25 plus 9 dimes, I believe, 9 times 0.10 plus, I think I said 14 nickels, 14 times 0.05. All right, so that's $3.10. That's what that should be, $3.10. So let's fill in the blank. Joe has $3.10 in quarters, dimes, and nickels. If Joe has, how many coins is that altogether? 6 plus 9 plus 15. 15 plus 14 is 29. If Joe has 29 coins total, write and solve a system of equations in order to find out how many of each coin Joe has. Okay, of course, I want you to put your name there. You don't have to use Joe. Well, then, no. So my total coins equation is going to be, and yours will be similar, x plus y plus z. We're going to add a slider for z. And then we're going to put the total number of coins there. Total number of coins we put was 29. Okay. So then we want to do a total amount equation. We know that each quarter is 25. So I'm going to put 25x plus each dime is 10 cents, y, and each nickel is 5 cents. So I'll put a 5z, and I'm going to put equal, what was my total amount? $3.10. I'm just going to do it like that, $3.10. Now if you want to put the decimals in there, feel free to do so. Okay, and then let's write an equation that relates the number of quarters you have with the number of dimes. So I have 6 quarters and I have 9 dimes. So I can say that Joe, in order to write the equation, the equation come out is, I can say that Joe has, how does 6 relate to 9? I can say that Joe has 3 more dimes in quarters. So I can say that D is equal to Q plus 3, or D equals Q plus 3. Since D is Y, since D is the dimes is Y, and X is the quarters, then I can say that Y is equal to X plus 3. So I'm going to put Y is equal to X plus 3. All right. So that's a good equation there. Do that. And yeah, Y is equal to X plus 3. So yeah, something like that. Your numbers will be different. So there's one equation. And the reason why I don't have this first equation is because it's probably off screen because of that 310 is so big. So let's see, we have all 3 of our equations. Yes. So let's see if we can zoom out and get an intersection of all 3. Yeah. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my slider until they come together. And it looks like that I can only go so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to make that bigger, like maybe 100. And then click out of it, and then let's slide some more. Just keep sliding until you get to where they look like they're trying to match up. So let's zoom in and make sure that they are at a single point. And I'm zooming in, and if I click, it looks like they are at a single point. All right, so it looks like and the numbers that should come back should be the same ones that we had in the very beginning, because we made this problem up. So all it is we have 6 quarters, 9 dimes, and Z should be 14. So of course our answer is, our solution of course is 6, 9, 14. So what we did basically, we just came up with a problem. We already knew what the solution is, and we just made it. We just basically worked backwards. So I'm gonna say Joe has 6 quarters. So we already knew the answer. We just wanted to make the equations. 9 dimes and 14 nickels. That's it. And once you have completed the project there, you filled all this in, make sure that you save it. All right, and let's see, I called this one Mr. Green there. Save it, or save it. You a copy of it. You can create your Desmos account. You can sign into Desmos. That way you can keep it. And then hit the share graph, and you're gonna paste this in Google Classroom, where on the assignment, under the assignment tab. Okay, so copy it, and then once you do it, you can paste it there. All right. If you have any issues with that, you can just send it to me. Okay, but anyway, that's the project. That's the 3x3 system project.